Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever thought about cooking rice in your pressure cooker? It's a true game changer for busy weeknights, saving you so much valuable time. Not only is it incredibly quick, but you'll also get perfectly cooked, fluffy rice, consistently, batch after batch, making your life so much easier in the kitchen. Getting the water right is absolutely key for perfect rice. For most white varieties, a simple 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water works wonders. So, if you're using 1 cup of rice, add 1 cup of water. Brown rice is a little different, usually needing about 1¼ cups of water for every cup of rice you use, helping it cook beautifully. First things first, make sure to always rinse your rice really well under cold water until it runs completely clear. This step helps remove excess starch, preventing sticky rice later on. Then, simply add your rinsed rice and the precise amount of water into your pressure cooker pot. Feel free to stir in a tiny pinch of salt or a small amount of oil for an even richer flavor. Once your rice and water are in the pot, seal the lid tightly and set it to high pressure. For fluffy white rice, you'll typically cook it for just 5 to 6 minutes. If you're making wholesome brown rice, it needs a bit more time, usually around 15 to 20 minutes. Always let the pressure cooker fully reach pressure before you start counting your cooking time. Once the cooking time is up, let the pressure release naturally for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step helps the rice finish steaming perfectly. After 10 minutes, if there's any remaining pressure, you can carefully do a quick release. Finally, gently open the lid and use a fork to fluff your beautifully cooked, delicious rice, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.